Namaskaram. So today we will do the Saptatala Alankaras. So the first Saptatala Alankara is Chatusra Jati Dhruva Talam. It has four components: Lagu plus Dhritam plus Lagu plus Lagu. Lagu is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 because it is Chatusra Jati and it will vary depending upon whether it is Chatusram, Tisram, Misram, etc. Okay. So the talam is Lagu plus Dhritam plus Lagu plus Lagu. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the swaram is Sari Ga Ma Ga Ri Sari Ga Ri Sari Ga Ma Ri Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Ri Ga Ma Ga Ri Ga Ma Pa Ga Ma Pa Da Pa Ma Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Ma Pa Da Ma Pa Da Ni Da Pa Ma Pa Da Pa Ma Pa Da Ni Pa Da Ni Sa Ni Da Pa Da Ni Da Pa Da Ni Sa Ni Da Pa Da Ni Sa Ni Da Ni Sa Ni Da Pa Ni Da Pa Ma Pa Da Ni Da Pa Da Ni Da Pa Ma Da Pa Ma Ga Ma Pa Da Pa Ma Pa Da Pa Ma Ga Pa Ma Ga Ri Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Ri Ma Ga Ri Sa Ri Ga Ma Ga Ri Ga Ma Ga Ri Sa. The next talam is Chatusra Jati Madhya Talam. So there are three parts there: Lagu plus Dhritam plus Lagu. Lagu is 4 counts because it is Chatusra Jati. Okay, so the talam goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the talam structure. So let's look at the swaram now. Sari Ga Ri Sari Sari Ga Ma Ri Ga Ma Ga Ri Ga Ri Ga Ma Pa Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Ma Ga Ma Pa Da Ma Pa Da Pa Ma Pa Da Ni Pa Da Ni Da Pa Da Ni Sa Ni Da Ni Sa Ni Da Pa Ni Da Pa Da Ni Da Pa Ma Da Pa Ma Pa Da Pa Ma Ga Pa Ma Ga Ma Pa Ma Ga Ri Ma Ga Ri Ga Ma Ga Ri Sa. Next is Chatusra Jati Rupaka Talam. Now Chatusra Jati Rupaka Talam has 2 angams or 2 parts, which is Dhritam plus Lagu. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Rupaka Talam is sung in 2 ways. Okay, I'm going to show you both ways. The second way is more popular now, so I want you to practice in the second way, but the first way is also correct. So I'm going to show you both ways. The same Rupaka Talam can be done in 2 ways. I'm going to show you both. Okay, the first is Dhritam plus Lagu, 4 counts. lagu 4 counts. So sari sari ga ma ri ga ma pa ga ma pa da ma pa da ni pa da ni sa ni da pa ni da pa ma da pa ma ga pa ma ga ri ma ga ri sa. This is the first way of singing. The second way of singing Rupaka Talam is the one that is more popular nowadays. So nobody knows the reason why it was changed like this, but I think for the sake of convenience it was changed to this way of singing. So I'm going to show you this way, and I want you to more practice this way because this is how people sing Rupaka Talam nowadays. Okay, sari sari ga ma ri ga ma pa ga ma pa da ma pa da ni pa da ni sa ni da pa ni da pa ma da pa ma ga pa ma ga ri ma ga ri sa. So this is the second way of singing Rupaka Talam, which is more convenient and which is more popular nowadays. The first way is completely gone. The second way is what is now prevalent, and people sing Rupaka Talam this way. The fourth talam is Misra Jati Jampa Talam. Now Misram is 7. So Tisram is 3, Chatusram is 4, Khandam is 5, Misram is 7, Sankirnam is 9. So it goes in odd numbers. The finger counting goes in odd numbers. Not just odd, there is one even also. So 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Now Tisram is 3, Chatusram is 4, Khandam is 5, Misram is 7, and Sankirnam is 9. Okay. So Misra Jati Jampa Talam has 3 parts. The Lagu, which is a fingering, then Anudritam is just a beat, okay, and Dritam is a beat and wave of hand. Okay, so it has 3 parts. So Misram means there's 7 counts, right? So Lagu is Misram. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. Then 1 beat, that is Anudritam, and then Dritam is 1, 2. So that is total 10 counts. So it's Misra Jati Jampa Talam. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 2. That is the Talam. Now let's do the Swaram for that. It is Sari ga sari ga ma. The last is just the extension of ma, so it's just a pause, like an extension. Okay, ri ga ma pa ga ma pa ga ma pa da ni pa da ni sa ni this is the Misra Jati Jampa Thalam. Now let's go to the next one with this Tisra Jati Triputa Thalam. Tisra Jati means, Tisra means 3. So the Lagu, it has 3 components. Lagu plus Dhritam plus Dhritam. That is fingering plus Dhritam plus Dhritam. Okay, so Tisra Jati Triputa Thalam. Okay, now what is Tisra Jati? 1, 2, 3, Tisram 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so Tisra Jati Triputa Thalam is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Chatusra Jati Triputa Thalam is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, which is popularly known as Adi Thalam. Okay, so we'll do Tisra Jati Triputa Thalam. So three angams or 3 parts. First is Lagu, it is Tisram, so it is 3 counts, and then Dhritam plus Dhritam. So Sari Ga Ma Ni Ga Ma Ri Ga Ma Pa Ga Ma Pa Ga Ma Pa Da Ma Pa Da Ma Pa Da Ni Pa Da Ni Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Sa Ni Da Pa Ni Da Pa Ni Da Pa Ma Da Pa Ma Da Pa Ma Ga Pa Ma Ga Pa Ma Ga Ri Ma Ga Ri Ma Ga Ri Sa. So this is Tisra Jati Triputa Thalam. The next one, number 6, is Khanda Jati Atathalam. Now Atathalam is as equally important as Adi Thalam because many of the Varnams are composed in Atathalam, and Atathalam is also the most difficult Thalam for singing. So it has 14 counts or 14 aksharas. So it has 4 parts: Lagu, Lagu, Dhritam, Dhritam. Now it is Khanda Jati. Khanda means 5. So the Lagu is 5. That is fingering is 5. So how will you do the fingering? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that is Khanda Jati Atathalam, and it is more popularly just known as Atathalam. Okay, because usually it is Khanda Jati. And we can also do Tisram, Misram, Sankinam. There are a lot of other Thalams you can explore, but most popularly it has been done in Khanda Jati, and most of the Varnams are composed in Khanda Jati Atathalam. So let's do the Swaram. Sari Ga Sari Ga Ma Ma Ri Ga Ma Ri Ga Ma Pa Pa Ga Ma Pa Ga Ma Pa Da Da Ma Pa Da Ma Pa Da Ni Ni Pa Da Ni Pa Da Ni Sa 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 Kanda Jati at a talam. The next one is Chatusra Jati Ekatalam. This is the easiest. It has only one part. It is Lagu. Chatusra Jati Ekatalam is Lagu. Just Lagu with 4 aksharas or 4 counts. So it is very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. That is the talam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do the swaram with that. Sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Now let's try the same talam with Sankirna Jati. Sankirna means 9 counts. So it has only one part which is Lagu, and Lagu is Sankirna Jati. Sankirna Jati means it's 9 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is the talam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So the swaram goes sa ri ga ma pa da ri ga ma pa da ni ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ni da pa ma ga ri da pa ma ga ri sa. So this is the Sankirna Jati Ekatalam. Now we can do different jatis in different talams, and that leads to 75 different talams. Okay, but we are not going to learn all of them. These are the major talams that you have to master in order to learn songs further, because most of the compositions are rendered in these talams. So it is enough if you can practice these well, so that it will be easy for you to learn the compositions and varnams later. Okay, thank you. Please do watch this video completely so that you can practice. Thank you.